Hi guys, it's Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, and I have an unboxing today. It is Southern Skeins Knot Sock Yarn Club. I can't wait to see what's in it. So, my little man did tear this open for me. So let's see what's in here. Are you guys ready? I don't think it's green. I definitely know it's not orange. Not that I know, but I'm not feeling the orange and I'm not feeling the green. So, let's see. Are you guys ready? Oh, okay. Wait a second. I'll just rip this like this. Okay, let me move that. Okay, so you should be able to see the color. I'm hoping you can anyway. There. I'm hoping you guys can even see this, but I'm not feeling the green, so of course I'm going to ask, is it green? I don't feel like it's green. What color is it, Persephone? Tell me. I am guessing, blue. I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm going to guess blue. Is it blue? Is it green? Just not green. Kind of tired of green. But of course, you know, if it is green, then I will use it. Oh, that paper might have been in the way. Was the paper in the way? So here, I'll give you another chance. Okay. Hopefully you guys got to see that. So, ooh, it's kind of a pinky purpley. I like that. That's pretty. That is cool looking. That is cool. Let's see about it. Okay. It's a bulky Pima cotton, 100% Pima cotton. About 120 yards. Hand wash, dry flat, and the color is vintage rose. That is a very, very pretty color. Very, very pretty. That is cool looking. Look at that. Definitely not the blue that I was thinking. That is pretty. So let's see. Knot Sock Yarn Club. Okay. Bulky weight yarn, hand wash, dry flat. Okay, so let us see what else is in here. I am loving this color. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with it, though. Okay. So we have some chai vanilla caramel tea. I'm going to put that in my stash. That sounds like it would be good iced. So I have my stash over there. Oops, I have a honey stick. I can't let TJ see that or he will gobble it up. When we go to the fair, he likes to get a whole bunch of these so he can suck all of the honey out. It's the honey stick is going to go with the tea. Well, not in this house, it's not. Okay. Oh, that's cute. A little honey bee to go with the honey stick. A honeybee stitch marker. Oh, Persephone, you messed with the lighting. Okay. And there's another little honeybee. Looks like a pouch. Oh, that's Maisie. That is cute. And there's something in here. Oops. Oops. It was a sewing needle to sew in my ends. And there is, stop, Persephone. Come on. There is orange in here. Look at that. To cover the tips of my knitting needles. So I'm going to have to find a super easy pattern for knitting that I can use for this. So 150 or 120 yards. I don't want to make a hat. So anybody have any ideas what I can make with this luscious yarn? It is so soft, and Persephone just won't leave me alone. So there we go. It is so soft. What do you think? Hey, what do you think? Yeah? She says yes, it's good. Oh, what can I make with 120 yards knitting? Not a hat. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Look at this luscious color. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Do you want to say bye-bye? Say bye. All right. Bye-bye, guys.